Welcome, everyone. Welcome to day number 20 of the 30-day meditation journey. Welcome. I am so appreciative that you are here. If you are just joining us, please go back to day number 1 for an introduction. And again, you can start this meditation at any time. You can do it over and over again, whatever suits you. This meditation practice is just that, it's a practice. And you will get there to that point where your body will want to do this. It will feel not right when you don't do it, and it'll crave it. And the more you do it, the more you will be able to get into that meditative state a whole lot easier because your body anticipates it. So, this is a good habit to have. So, once again, if you would like to do a self love workshop or a meditation workshop, I have these 2 online workshops available in the description box below. Check it out. You would have unlimited access to them. And this is all about taking a deep dive into who you are, into self love, into building a stronger meditation practice. So get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. And you can lie down, sit up, whatever's going to be comfortable for you. And whenever you are ready, just close your eyes, get comfortable, make sure you adjust your clothing, pillow, whatever. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale. Take another deep breath in through your nose and exhale. And just begin to inhale and exhale through the nose nice and slowly. Inhaling for 3 seconds and then exhaling for 3 seconds. And just continue with that pattern. Allowing that inhale and exhale to flow. Allowing your body to relax with every breath. Intending to go deeper with every breath. Releasing and letting go of your day, of the week. Inhale and exhale. Now bring your attention to your heart center, right at the center of your chest, your spiritual heart. This is the hub of everything. Place a hand over your heart center. Picture yourself standing in the middle of the heart center, in the middle of your heart chakra. And just continue to breathe standing in this heart chakra, allowing yourself to release and let go any protection, any walls that you may have put up around your heart. Just allow these walls to fall away. And just breathe in and out. Continue to watch those walls fall away, revealing this beautiful heart chakra of green or pink, becoming so clear, so cleansed, so beautiful. Just inhale and exhale into the heart chakra. Just allow yourself to feel, to understand what it is your heart is saying, what it needs. Feel the love in your heart. You may have dismissed it, or maybe you have ignored it, or maybe you squashed it. Let's allow that love to rise to the surface, rise in your heart center, allowing that light to become brighter, more beautiful. As we heal our heart center and rediscover the love for ourselves, the love that we've been hiding away. Just continue to breathe, allowing that heart chakra to become more expansive. Allow that love to rise to the surface, for that flame of love to be reignited. Just staying here for as long as you like. Breathing into the heart center, envisioning yourself at the center of your heart, allowing those walls to fall away. Allowing that love to grow within your heart. Even if you are having a hard time feeling it, then intend it. Intend that this will rise and shine and your heart will expand. Love is who you are. It's at the core of everything. And loving yourself is self-care. It is selfless. By loving yourself, you expand that out into the world, into others, into everything and everyone around you. By loving yourself, it helps others to allow themselves to feel love, to express love, to shine their light of love. Thank your heart and thank yourself for being here, for dedicating yourself to this meditation practice, to this journey. Now you can stay here as long as you like, or you can begin to bring your awareness back into the room, back into your body, wiggling your fingers and your toes. And then when you are ready, begin to rub your hands together. Place them over your eyes. Taking a deep breath in and exhaling. And when you are ready, open your eyes and remove your hands. Oh, thank you so much for being here. Namaste.